Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher with a weekly update. What's new on AccordionLove.com? There's some construction happening, so let's get right to it. Lots of new content this week. Under a section called Accompanying Voice and Others with Your Accordion, I've started to show examples of how to play along to a backing track. This specific example is Silent Night, and I encourage you to check it out. This shows you the chords, and I show you the techniques that you use to play along to a backing track. Really, really cool. Last week we started with song endings. Under the Beyond the Basics, Adding Interest to Your Playing section, there's a place called Song Endings. We did shave and a haircut, 2 bits. This week we're learning how to tag song ending, what it sounds like. I give 5 examples with sheet music. Let's take Silent Night. The ending is... How do we tag an ending? By repeating the last little phrase 3 times. Sleep in heavenly, sleep in heavenly, sleep in heavenly peace. And only then doing the last note. So this is the explanation. A student had a question about how to play a Tarantella rhythm. In the Italian section of the site, I do a step-by-step walkthrough on how to coordinate your hands together for any of the Tarantellas. Whether it's really any of the Italian songs, just how do we get that? How do we get both hands working together on a Tarantella? Check out that lesson. Over on the accordion subreddit on Reddit, there was a discussion about how to play by ear. And so I share these resources, how to play and memorize your first accordion song by ear. This emphasizes how to listen. It gives you a few examples with sheet music, but encourages you tips on playing your first accordion song. Do this before you learn a song, being listening. The emphasis is on listening. With a few playthrough examples, and I also linked these hand-ear coordination exercises, which I spoke about last week. I can't emphasize enough how important these are. 2, this is how we do them. 2, 2, 2, 2. That's how we do them. We listen to something twice. 2, 2, ba da da da. Right, 2, da 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 da. That's how we start to train our ear to learn songs by heart, to learn songs by ear. That's the content this week. Oh, my friend Denny is giving away these awesome accordion learning charts. He's giving away 5 charts. I'm giving away 5 charts. No purchase required. I'll link to the video in the description, to Denny's video and my video. Please enter. These charts are such a cool resource that I encourage you to try. Whether you're a visual learner, whether you're just starting out, whether you need to visualize what voicings are like, it's a really cool resource. Other than that, every Sunday I do a live stream where I address questions live from the past week, and I play songs, and there's a wonderful community. I'll have a link in the description for that as well. I encourage you to come out, come with questions, come check out the community. We also have a wonderful community over on the Accordion Love forums. There's so much happening. I think it's such a great time for learning the accordion. It's a bad time in life, but kind of there is a light for learning the accordion. I encourage you to check out AccordionLove.com. If you're a member, fantastic. If not, there's a free 3-day trial. You can cancel at any time. Come see how I teach. Come check out the community. I hope to see you over there. Bye-bye.